iPhone 17 Pro Max is almost out, and while I'm waiting, I got myself this beautiful PU leather case. I love the quality of this leather. It feels very soft. The inside has silicone plastic that is black. The buttons are easy to press. And there's leather that runs all the way around the rims. This leather is nice because it doesn't stain. It has this nice feel to it. There are bevels that will prevent scratching. The back also has a MagSafe, and there's intricate stitching all the way throughout that just add that extra touch. And of course, it has that amazing kickstand that is hidden, and you can pull it out to watch in horizontal mode. It's quite sturdy and is made of high quality metal, so it will definitely last if you're going to use it on a daily basis. Also, this set includes a lanyard that you can put through the little holes and use it on your wrist. And if that's something you like, it's definitely a plus. I love that it comes with a screen protector as well as wipes to wipe down your screen. So that will ensure your phone is going to be safe and protected when you receive it this fall. I'm sure you will love it and enjoy it.